I said I feel invisible. They like, Poppy, what you get to? I pop a brick of retarded. Wait. Yeah. I said I feel invisible. It's 100 niggas in the spot. I won't be born. It's 85 just to walk on. I don't talk to these niggas, cause a lot of these niggas be corny. I'm feeling horny, and I shoot like Robert Hood. I'm on this percolated shit. I got a percolated bitch. I give it a percolated dick. I show her this percolated tricks. They know who in the city. Pasco, nigga, you can ask me. Pasco, I'm super city on TV. Pasco, going 50 for 50. I pop a brick of retarded, then shoot at the party, then change the artillery. Energy. I'm giving nothing but energy. I give a perky and Hennessy. I get 2 shots to the enemy. Hope you remember me. What the fuck a nigga telling me? I spent 250 on my wrist. I spent 250 on my bitch. Double G, niggas doing my drip. Walk in the spot and turn everybody crap. DJ, Clue, my nigga fuck with the Wolves. Tell Spank in and play it back, while the Wolves throw the bag. I'm shooting for the stars, aiming for the moon. I shoot at any eye, cause niggas know I'm woo. Send a nigga to the medic. Everything raw, no edit. Pop Smoke, did it. I said I feel invisible. It's 100 niggas in the spot. I won't be born. It's 85 just to walk on. I don't talk to these niggas, cause a lot of these niggas be corny. I'm feeling horny, and I shoot like Robert Hood. I'm on this percolated shit. I got a percolated bitch. I give it a percolated dick. I show her this percolated tricks. They know who in the city. Pasco, nigga, you can ask me. Pasco, I'm super city on TV. Pasco, going 50 for 50.
Rico's going crazy again.
Look, I like my bitches, red bone, ass fat, jello, light skin, yellow, iced out, hello, I'm the king of New York, mellow, like him by the Regis is pillow, ask around, niggas know me, I'm a Euro boy, Ginobili, I like my bitches, red bone, ass fat, jello, light skin, yellow, iced out, hello, I'm the king of New York, mellow, like him by the Regis is pillow, ask around, niggas know me, I'm a Euro boy, Ginobili.
I've been so gone, I like red bones, my type, light skin, ass fat, jello. But bitches be switching sides nowadays on the regular. I never respected it. Money over bitches, I know that's everything. Money over bitches, I know that's high. Rockin' BBS by Elliot Weathermans. I will never ever give in a wedding ring. 45 on my hip, I ain't fighting. I'm chewing on that Adderall like a vitamin. Niggas pockets be on E. Something they already know, but I'm driving the T. They making up rumors and lies. Okay, I'm sick and I'm tired. I'm out of the T. None of my bitches be mine. They could've been one of yours. They out of the league. I'ma just call up a teamer. Now that ain't really her name, but she for the team. I get flies a bitch like I looted up. All this money you talking ain't new to us. I'm the king of New York and on God. If Pop was alive, it would've been two
I like my
of us.
bitches, red bone, ass fat, jello, light skin, yellow, iced out, hello, I'm the king of New York, mellow, like him by the Regis is pillow, ask around, niggas know me, I'm a Euro boy, Ginobili, I like my bitches, red bone, ass fat, jello, light skin, yellow, iced out, hello, I'm the king of New York, mellow, like him by the Regis is pillow, ask around, niggas know me, I'm a Euro boy, Ginobili. Pull up like apes from the cleaners, fixing up Venus. I make a movie, sell out arenas. She off the white token, Demi Lovato. All of my dance is murder bravado. AP Audemars with Aquafina, hitting like Ike, singing like Dina. The yawn on my body, stickers got no crease. They living it, baby. Tell me if you seen my diamonds are dancing, painted face like Marilyn Manson. They roll up that roof, run straight from Cali. They get a plate from Sally's. Queen of Blue Shroud, they set him up. These niggas mad as fuck. You know what I rep, yeah, it's tatted up. You ain't get fucked cause your ass ain't flatted up. If you talk crazy, get batted up. Yeah, I like my bitches, red bone, ass fat, jello, light skin, yellow, iced out, hello, I'm the king of New York, mellow, like him by the Regis is pillow, ask around, niggas know me, I'm a Euro boy, Ginobili, I like my bitches, red bone, ass fat, jello, light skin, yellow, iced out, hello, I'm the king of New York,
a DJ Noise mixtape presentation. This is a DJ Noise mixtape presentation.
It's Kendrick Lamar. Right now you're rocking out with the homie DJ Noise.
Monster on the beat, ho, Debo, any rap nigga, he a free throw. Man damn, all like ambulance, tell him free bro. Nella nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tiso. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas tryna see Compton? The industry can hate me, fuck them all in they mama. How many options really got? I mean, there's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton and beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walking down the whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Hold on him, extort shit, bully the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-downs. And party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baka got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boy, certified pedophiles. That fuck em up. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Tryna strike a chord and it's probably A minor. They not like us. 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 Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Hey, 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 run for your life. Hey, 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 run for your life. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Hey, 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 run for your life. Hey, 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 run for your life. Let me hear you say OV ho. Say OV ho. Then step this way, step that way. Then step this way, step that way. Are you my friend? Are we locked in? Then step this way, step that way. Then step this way, step that way. Hold up, where are you from? My bitch, I'm finna go dumb. Sideways, bump stomp, diva, I'm on. Woke up looking for the Barkley. I keep a horn on me, that's my seat. IP ownership, the blueprint is by me. Mr. Get Off, I get off at my feet. Couldn't try me in the tri-state. Money pass, but I give them splash till he hydrated. Down south, known as Spook Town, eyes dilated. I got the money and the power, both gyrating. I feel good, get the fuck out my thighs. Look good, but she don't got no ties. I walk in, walk out with the size. Man, don't let me know what the price. What the fuck? I got hips, I got bucks, I got new paper cuts, I got friends, I got foes, but they all sitting ducks. Hit his church finger cracking, double back like a deluxe. 50 deep, but it ain't deep enough. Fuck a quick day, go beat him up. Falling from a money tree, and it grew throughout the month. Spit a loop at the camera, speed off, yes. I feel good, get the fuck out my thighs. Look good, but she don't got no ties. I walk in, walk out with the size. Man, don't let me know what the price. Squabble up, 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 squabble up.
Rock steady, you can tell who I am from the back, cause it's heavy. Rock steady, I'm the wrong for the trap, fuck your man, cause I'm petty.
Rock your hips.
You can tell who I am from the back, cause it's heavy.
Rock your hips.
I'm the wrong for the trap, fuck your man, cause I'm petty.
Rock your hips. I'm having cash, I can take your bitch. Beat it up, like this. Put it on, fresh fit, fly shit. She in love, but she stuck. She addicted, like drugs. Why would I worry about the two, bitch, I'm the one. She know what's up, won't stop till I'm done. I've been working hard, OT. When you got goals to get rich, you don't get no sleep. These niggas acting like Roger Dunn, touch no cheese. That bitch in love with sucking dick, that hoe got strong knees. So, turned up, back to touchdown, I'm counting cash, bitch, I'm up. I'm nothing like your nigga, in real life, I'm having butt. Bitch, you not a flex, we done fuck the same slut. Tryna see if I'm really tough, or I got here off look. We gon' see, that bitch weak. I thought this was your freak, why she in my homie shit? I'm looking good, and I'm fly, spittin' sneaks for the feet. Wait, goddamn it, Dupree, why you fucking with the beat? Rock your hips, I'm having cash, I can take your bitch. Beat it up, like this, put it on.
Go stupid.
Now up going stupid. Go stupid. Now up going stupid. Go stupid. Now up going stupid. Go stupid. Now up going stupid. I just took them out on my check, it's stupid. I just put an X on my ex, been stupid. I just had to take out the necklace, stupid. Made up the block like Tetris.
Oh damn, got it fucked up. This beat hitting like Bruce Lee with the nunchucks. Oh damn, got it fucked up. This beat hitting like Bruce Lee with the nunchucks.
I need an info. Bad little body with your info. Flip that ass like a flip phone. That tongue ring, what it's hitting for? Like it's O2, get it low. Bounce on my lap, throw it back like a throwback. Like I'm Sea Breezy, told her give me that. Make it rain on them hoes, I got hella racks. 1, 2, lot of hotties on the dance floor. If you ain't here to get wet, what you here for? Take my shirt off, I'm hotter than hell, boy. Got the glow like Bruce Lee, boy. 1, 2, put your ass on the dance floor. If you ain't here to have sex, what you here for? Take my shirt off, it's hotter than hell, boy. She a bad bitch, I'm a dog for her. Tell me how you want it. Tell me how you want it. Show me how you want it. Yeah, that's how I want it.
Tiger on the motherfucking mic. Chillin' in Germany with my homie DJ Noise. The German mixtape master, let's go.
If she can fuck how she twerk, she the one. If she can fuck how she twerk, she the one. If she can fuck how she twerk, she the one. If she can how she the one. If she can how she the one. If she can how she the one. If she can fuck how she twerk, she the one. If she can fuck how she twerk, she the one.
Somebody gotta do it. Got my foot up on the gas, but somebody gotta do it. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off. 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 Ain't no other king in this rap thing, they siblings. Nothing but my children. One shot, they disappearing. I'm in the city with a flag, be getting thrown like it was pass interference. Padlock around the building. Crash pulling up in a marked truck just to play freeze tag. With a bone to pick like it was sea bass. So when I made it out, I made about 50K from a show. Trying to show niggas the ropes before they hung from a rope. I'm prophetic, they only talk about it, how I get it. Only good for saving face, seen cosmetics. How many heads I gotta take to level my aesthetics? Hurry up and get your muscle up, we up the plyometric. Nigga ran up out of luck, soon as I up the highest metric. The city just made it sweet, you could diabetic. They mouth get full of deceit, let these cowards tell it. Walking New Orleans with the etiquette, the LA yelling. Niggas acting bad, but somebody gotta do it. Got my foot up on the gas, but somebody gotta do it. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off.
Shit get crazy, scary, spooky, hilarious. 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 Crazy, scary, spooky, hilarious.
I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty, nasty. Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my freak? My freak, my freak, my freak, my freak, my freak.
Hold it on.
Watashi wa stop. Kita, Watashi wa stop. I get money, I'm a star. I get money, I'm a star. Okane, kasebu, orera wa star. Okane, kasebu, watashi wa star. Kita, watashi wa star. You know who I am, ain't had to say my name. Stack it up like bitches, but this money ain't a game. Watashi kawaii, halata. Drinking out the bottle, getting twisted, metal trip. Exotic Hermes, just a crop too. It's too expensive, ain't no way I'm getting costume. I think I'm so sexy, every shirt I own is crop shoes. So many carrots on this brutal bunny house. US for Japan, if he need me, he gon' bow. I got yen for your friends, if they pretty, bring them out. Rolling down the metal boot, pouring sake in they mouth. Told them put me on the face, bring them chocolate to the south. I get money, I'm a star. I get money, I'm a star. Okane, kasebu, orera wa star. Okane, kasebu, watashi wa star. Kita, watashi wa star.
What goes on? What's up, gang? How's everybody doing? You wanted to see these cells? I'd be careful here. The 15 closed bullish at support here. But yeah, I mean overall, right? The 4 hour, the rebreak of the lows makes sense. I wanted to see the cells, I mean the candles come back up here and then see the cells. I want to come back up and see some resistance. But yeah, welcome. Come on in. Come on in, everybody. Got the daily that closed massively bullish, right? The weekly flipped and driven. Oh, never even flipped, just no bottom weight, continuing to drive. Daily is smaller daily candle though than the previous daily, right? So maybe right now we'll get a bearish print. Maybe we range a little. I like this 4 hour level here. Smart piece up. Here. You really not on shit. They make excuses for you cause they hate to see me lit. Pull your contract cause we gotta see the split. The way you do the splits, bitch, your pants might rip. You better do that motherfucking show inside the bitch. Maroon 5 need a verse, you better make it witty. You only need a verse for the Swifties. Top say drop, you better drop and give them 50. Pip squeak, pipe down, you ain't in no big three. Scissor got you white down, Travis got you white down, Savage got you white down. Like a label boy, you in a scope right now. And you gon' feel the aftermath of what I write down. I'm at the top of the mountain, so you tight now. Just to have this talk with your ass, I had to hike down. Big difference between Mike then and Mike now. What the fuck is this, a 20v1, nigga? What's a prince to a king? He a son, nigga. Get more love in the city that you from, nigga. Metro, shut your whole ass up and make some drums, nigga. Yeah, I'm a 6 god, I'm a front runner. Y'all nigga manager was Charles, little blunt runner. Playing a 6 and you boys ain't even come from it. And when you boys got rich, you had to run from it. Cash blowing, ain't bread out here tricking. Music's so loud, Wix. Could you please make it low? Really? Okay. Is that better?
5 closed, no bottom wick here. First 5 of the session. I think we're still coming down here. Still see some kind of support at this area, and this is a support on every time frame, well, except the 4. It's a bullish day, right? Maybe we can get some pancakes on here, but like, man, I would like this to be somewhere down here. Those are the good ones. And this would be against the bearish 4 hour. That's filling the wick. Top. What's up, John? Yeah, it's been a long day for me. I'm worn out. I am worn out. I was much more energized like 2 hours ago. I'm just worn out. It's a long night, long day. What's up, Santos? Two losing days in a row. You're here. You're back here. I'm thinking about having a 1 lot here, just because I think we're gonna bounce here. Maybe a small, but I'll have like a 30 pip TP, because it's a pretty hefty stop here, right? It's 50 pips. Oh, no, I don't know if I'm gonna do that. The 4 hour levels here. It's too arbitrary here. Yeah, maybe we'll hold off a bit. Take a stronger position. Yeah, I think I'll hold off a bit here. I want the 4 hour in my direction. Yeah, we'll say this though, like if we start printing a bullish candle, right? Well, obviously look for support and continue up here. Right, if we start seeing something bullish here. Oh, let's take this back off. And you could bank on the volume here. Like if you want to look for sells, you could probably take this down to support at 27 pips, right? But then again, you should have been here up there. So you're pretty late on an entry there. There's no interest for me here because we respected this 15 level. But this is a nice hourly lot. I would like a nice support at this area. That would be lovely. Just because we want to trade with the daily buys.
They think I'm a hoarder. Your mama raised a freak for a daughter. I told her bring it back like Travis Porter. Throw it in the air.
What if we have it here? What if it taps that area? I'd say get extra picky. 2 days in a row for you too. Yeah, just get extra picky with your positions. Look at this 5 flip in here. It's nice. Break of lows. The 15s never close, right? At any point, this 15 can just close back up here. That previous 15 had closed that support. Okay, you know what? I will. I'm gonna have a buy limit here. Let's go with and it's gonna be maybe a 30 pip stop. Maybe I'll take a smaller position. I'm gonna take it on the signal channel. Count the smaller. It's a smaller position, but so whoever's in the signal channel, just go lower risk. It is a bullish daily. Just there's so much potential to come up here. What's at this area? Oh, it'd be great if we can close here with no bottom wick. I'm thinking of keeping the stops below this area, below this candle wick. Which would make it roughly 24 pip stop. That's not bad. Oh, maybe a 24 pips. Yeah, 24 pips. I think we can make this a bigger position. Let's go with limit by 2. I'm going to keep it below that wick. Really like something at this level here, but This is a much better level down here. I think we might see a reaction here and then pump up. If we break through here, then I'll definitely have a position at this area at 77.8. That's where those dailies meet. That's where the daily closure was. Over here, you see that? It's a good level. Damn, that 4 hour fill in the range. I'm gonna, you know what? I'm thinking of bringing this down. This will. I'm debating between the 4 hour. Now, fuck it. Let's keep it where it is. If anything, it'll bounce off the 4 hour level. We could have a better entry at this area, right, on the 4 hour. But then there's a chance. Or maybe there's no chance. We gotta tap this area, right? Yeah, I'm gonna bank on this closure because that's more recent. I'm just gonna go by the more recent level because that's kind of how we've been trading. And the more recent level is here on the hourly. It's the more recent range. Right. How much better would this entry be? 15 pips, 17 pips. Are you trading on the account you took payoff from? No. That one is paused. No account. This could very easily go into this 4 hour level. Maybe we see a bounce at both levels. Maybe at this area and then at the 4 hour. We shall see. I have the entry at 89.2 right there. I'm expecting just a quick bounce off this area, but eventually to get to the 4 hour level here. Yeah. No, you know what? If this is gonna go here, we're gonna have to do this because this just makes a lot more sense. Yeah, it's either that's where we get activated or we don't get activated because it's just higher time frame is king, and that's where it makes sense for optimal entries. 7-7. And if we bounce heavy off the hourly level, I mean, that's going to be okay. We'll just look for a more optimal position. We might not even get there at all. Look at this. I think even if we tap off this level, we might bottom wicket into there. But look at that. We have flipped as the daily is bullish. This 4 hour is bearish though still. Bounced off the 30. Okay, my headphones just shut off. They went power off, but then again, I've never charged them. I got them a few days ago. I don't know if I'm supposed to charge them. Hold on. I might have to charge them. Okay. Guess we're gonna have a slight plot twist here. I'm gonna start heading up right now. Technically, the 4 hours already tapped that level. Yeah, there's no 30 level. The 30 level is over here. It didn't tap a 30 level. 30 level is right there. As well as the hourly. Yeah, we can get rid of this now that it flipped. Well, all that planning for nothing. Alright, so let's look at this. We have a level here, right? This 15 is going to fake out if this is how we close in 5 minutes. The 30 is going to close bullish above here. Yeah, we get that bottom wick on the next candle. Break these highs. We got room to come up. I don't know. We'll see how these 5 minutes go. Hard to picture the next 4 hour or the price not coming back down, grabbing a little more orders here, but we shall see. If we look at it like this, this is the level. Yeah, we're gonna need to close on the hourly above there. That's the hourly level right there. Let's see. 4.5 minutes for the 30, but we should close above there if we want to head up. hitting the one. Man, there's nothing wrong with having a bad start. I showed you guys the account that I just got to pay out on. The very first trade of that account was a loss. I just kind of went undefeated since then, but like the very first trade of that account was a loss. Yeah, we can't keep you accountable if you can't keep yourself accountable as well, right? Step away, wait for your setup, wait for what you would look for, you always look for. Right now you're probably like opening too soon, like closing positions too early, right? You're impulsive because you want to get just on a winning track as soon as possible so you could stop having this feeling. You're being a junkie right now. Just don't want to have this losing feeling. Nobody does, but like can't fiend. Like I guess it's human nature to fiend to get over it, but like you have to learn to control that. Yeah, we've all been there. It's not like aha, look at it. No, it's like, damn, man, somebody else going through the same shit. If this fucker flips, there's a lot of orders. We got 100 seconds left here on a 15. Wait, it's just choppy right now. There's no clear sense of direction. Let it fucking push. I hate trading against the 4 hour. Well, the 15 faked out here. But this can also be a rejection wick. Like if it's like that, like the next candle, right, you might see the next candle come down. Let me get this closure. If you get it closed a little stronger like that, I doubt it. Then, like I think breakout of highs is good here. Hold on, let's look. What's the 30 look like? Big fucking stop right now. 65 pip stop. Let's see, maybe the current candle. Gold literally just faked out 2 times. Yeah, you know what? I'm in an uncertain mood here. Like I'm feeling a little uncertain, even for the break of the highs here, just based on all these rejection wicks to the left. Like I'm like, yeah, I want to take a position, but like it would be so cool. All right, we're in here. Let's fucking go. Oh, you know, I don't know. Once with the uncertainty, when I'm, you know, I want to have full confidence going into my position. And the uncertainty here makes me want to avoid this. If you can break the low here, tap this area, and then eventually, you know, 5 minutes from now, this is what you look like off this area. There's a stop. See, maybe this candle gives a decent stop, and then we start rebreaking these highs on the 30, which would take the hourly up, which would flip the 4-hour bullish. Right. There'd be some room to come up here. We would attempt to come down. But you would need a nice bottom wick down to these areas. Like 37.94 areas. If we can do that and start breaking highs, I might think about that. Calling the week and mentally tired? Yeah, fuck it, take a week off, bro. Shouldn't even be a question, but like, you know, don't take a week off and never show up again. No, you gotta keep showing up. Even if you're not trading. Personally, when I take a week off, if you need to recalibrate your mind, your mindset, it's not there, yeah, step away. Even social media, stop fucking looking at other people trading. It'll make you feel some type of way. Right? But personally, I was just like, I was still looking at the charts. I'm not going to take any trade today. I'm just going to stare at this, force myself to stare at this. Hit those paper trades, get the confidence up. You know, sometimes it's just like, man, you need to like, it's not like to recalibrate. You just need like a change of scenery. You need to think about something else because you need your mood to change, right? You're very impulsive when you're it's just that's your mood, right? You need your mood to change. Beach, park, basketball, physical activity changes your mood. So I like the gym. Food, yeah. Food will change a mood or two. Or 3. Yeah, I'm not gonna take any fake out here. This is crazy. All these books right here. Quiet in here today. But damn, we hit this area. There ain't no reason for us to re-break the highs at that point, right? Once we break this area. Man, yeah, I'm gonna have a buy limit here. I mean a buy stop. Pretty high. It's gonna be current candle stop probably. Somewhere over here. That would break the hourly high, that would break the previous 30 high, that would break the previous 15 fake out. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do. $97.6. Keep it current candle stops.
confabulation. Call me red-handed, palms itching like rotation. Standing like ovation on business occupation. Dripping condensation, got a
Better find a mop, it's getting sticky in this bitch. Better find a mop, it's getting sticky in this bitch. Better find a mop, it's getting sticky in this bitch. Better find a mop, it's getting sticky in this bitch.
I'm outside with it. Tell them niggas I did it. Allergies to bum niggas. I see you, my eyes itching. This shit regular. All this shit be regular. Ahead of y'all, I'm better, baby. Check the video.
Why don't you think it's likely that the 1 hour continues to push down? Yeah, I think my headphones need to be charged because they keep powering off. Because I think after making that top wick and coming down here again, after closing, look, we faked out here on the 15, closed back in range. The 30's closed bullish, respecting the 30 level. Now we're tapping that 30 level. If we don't break it now and we start coming back up, re-breaking these highs, it's just the probability states that we are likelier to come up than we are then to come down at that point. So I'm willing to bank on that push up, which will flip the 4 hour bullish, re-break the hourly high, right? Break the previous 30 high and break the previous 15 that faked out. Right? But if this candle comes down here and starts closing below there, then obviously we'll delete. But then, like, why fake out here on the 15 and why close respecting the 30 level? I'm just gonna trust it to do what it's been. Hold on a second, gang. Let me find a charger because my headphones are slowly but surely dying. Hey, I'm also wearing them. If we start coming up heavy, can somebody say something so I can come back to the PC? Let me just grab a charger. So stream until 10? Yeah, most likely. There's going to be a current candle stop here. Maybe this wick down here. 35 pip stop, 33 pip stop, somewhere around there. This candle also had a chance to come down now, right? And the most recent range here to the left is clean. Okay, this here. Let's see if we can blast through it the same way. Alright, I'm going to delete here. We got 1 minute for this 15 to close. This looks ugly. If this fucking activates in the last 30 seconds, I'm good. 2 minutes on the 15. I mean, it still makes sense, right? The break at this high now is, but man, in the last 30 seconds, you gonna do this to me? What's wrong with the music? You don't like the music? Jamming. I wanna jam. Okay. Yeah, we wanted a slingshot, right? You tap this area, you want to fucking push. You don't want to stick around here 15 minutes, get a bearish closure. But then again, if we right now come down here, break these lows, break this 15 low just to re-break the highs, I mean, maybe it'll make sense. I mean, any kind of break at this high right now makes sense, but we're coming up to the last 15 of the hourly candle. And on spot gold, it's the last 15 of the 4 hour. 4 hour looking like yeah, you really don't want, like, you know what you really want here? You want sells off this level right up here. You want sells up from there. You want buys from down here. Broke the low on the 15, huh? Let's just stop here. It's 39 pips. Yeah, let's stay away. Yeah, I feel like if I'm having this internal battle, I don't like it's been crazy for the last hour because this is chop. This is all chop. If I'm having this internal battle, I'm gonna stay the fuck out, even if this shit comes up. This could start driving. I hope it doesn't. I hope it comes down because I would be pissed if it starts driving because it's what I'm playing for. But like, I wouldn't even be pissed. I'd just be annoyed. But yeah, it just so much chop. Fuck it. Like, I hear myself being unsure of that position because like it's not something I typically take. There's shit that I take. There's shit that I try to avoid. Usually, this is the shit I try to avoid. Got the little angel and the devil on my shoulder right now. Stay away, Wix. YOLO! Let's fucking go! It's the two fucking guys on my... You ever seen The Emperor's New Groove with the angel and the devil? They're arguing and shit. He's like, the devil is like, look at that guy. He's wearing a robe. Look at that guy. He's wearing a dress. He's like, it's a robe. Yeah, whatever. He's like, nah, he's got a point. Devil's like, look what I can do. He starts doing push-ups on one hand. The guy's like, what about you? He's like, the angel's like, no, he's got a point. Listen to the devil. Look what he can do. He's like, look what I can do. Yep, he's got a point. I'd be laughing harder at the cartoons than the kids. 10 minutes here, 10 minutes for the hourly. You know what I got here while I wait? Daniel, maybe that's what you need to do. You need to fucking take up smoking a little bit of weed here and there. This shit right here? Wait, where is it? It was right here. Oh no, don't start this shit again, Wix. Come on. That's the problem. I never be knowing where I put the weed. It's just right here. Fuck. Where are you at? It definitely felt when I was like doing some shit. You know what helps? I put my eye to the ground, to floor level, because the floor would be clean, and I would see something like popping out. Bro, come on. Literally just had this shit. I can't catch a fucking break. Just trying to go smoke, yo. Definitely here, and I just don't fucking see it. I swear, yo, I got fucking ghosts, chat. Casper lives in my house. Like, there's no... I did not smoke it. No, I just fucking remember, bro. This shit was right here. Yo, this is some bullshit. Like, this the shit that gets me upset. Fuck it. Fuck a stop loss. Like, Hold on, gang. I gotta turn on the light. I got to turn on the... Dog. Alright, let's go on a search and rescue mission. I found it, chat. I found it. Wow. I stepped on it. It's flattened. It looks like somebody rode over it with a car. Still smoke it though. How the fuck my joint look like this? How the fuck is so flat? Yo, focus, bitch. Hello. Yo, you gonna focus or what? I stepped on it. You know where it was? It was right by the fridge. It was at the fridge door. I probably dropped it at the fridge door. Zoom door? I got you. Nadim Ahmad. Admit. Flatter than my girl's ass. Damn. It must be a white girl then. You got to send an ass to Florida. We got that BBL special going on. Flatter than my girl's ass. What happened to you this morning, my friend? I didn't sleep all night. My 7-year-old was coughing, throwing up, all this shit all night. And I fell asleep at like 6:45 in the morning because at like, right? I was with her all night, just, yo, fucking her head, cooling her down, put some vinegar on a Bounty, you know, to cool her down, and some weird recipes, everything. Yeah, I gave her Motrin. She just running a high fever and she was throwing up and all that fun stuff. So I spent it with her, right? And all night like that. Oh, feeling terrible. 6:45 comes. I just start falling, nodding off. She wakes up. She's like, "Can I grab the iPad?" I'm like, after this fucking night, after what you just put me through, no, you're going to go to the corner. And then she woke up, and then she felt a little better, and then she started throwing up again. She's been sick all day, and like it's her, and now the 6-year-old's sick, so the 6 and the 7-year-old are both sick, and then now my wife's sick because she's with them. Damn, it's like you ever be around like 5 women, just one man, or like 4 women, and then imagine they all sick and not in the mood. Like I'm right now, I'm in the trenches for real. I'm hiding out. I got Benny on patrol, you know, making sure nobody crosses the front lines. And you know, if there's a you know, somehow you know, I got We Team 6 on standby if anything. Send in the reinforcements. Benny patrolling the perimeter right now, cause like they might be planning, you know, a guerrilla style attack right now, and my ass gonna have to retreat. Oh man, I'm so happy I found this before Benny or anyone else did. Anyone else would return it to me. Benny, probably eat the shit. Oh man. So what's the hourly doing, right? The hourly's doing hourly things. It's not bad. Do we form a support on the hourly? think about it. The 4 hour here is going to have to make a top wick or on spot. This 4 hours. This looks like ass. Its price action is so bad.
Took a ballerina down to the ball dance. Met a couple ball players, found a ball stance. Now we in the bathroom, she found a ball face. Took some shots and balled out, now how the stall taste. I can't even go inside, my O's might hear. I might need to hit the town, I need you right here, right here. Till she reached in the trunk and found a Nina. I told her, baby, that's Nina Simone. Hey. Driving through the liquor store, faded, braided, hands in this motherfucker waving, easy, 80s like the 90s and 2000s. Driving through this motherfucker wildin', ayy. Brady 7-pack, they come in bunch. I've been with the quad on a high note, getting C-notes. Different presentation to this vibe, you need a keynote. Pressing around this motherfucker, I ain't sending vetoes. Ain't no stopping shit or stopping licks, them boys on Geo. Batting out the 504, I say the name is Creole. Dallas when I'm on the road, I get to go and T.O. Dominatrix matrix when she do it like I'm Neo. Shit is all the sockets, they locking. Mama said live up to my name, but they jocking. They gon' try, go and take your face for the profit. They gon' lie, they gon' slip and slide, get beside you. They gon' try, we 100 deep like Verizon. In the trees with the bumblebees on rising. And catching Z's, I've been in the V on road to Zion. Set they souls, I've been in that mode that I ain't buying.
He ain't slaughter gang, then he ain't official. When that chopper sing, you really think that they gon' miss you. I spent $500,000 on dismissal. It's gon' be a hearse, not a verse if I dish you. Got me fucked up, nigga got me fucked up. When I send it past the ceiling, that shit stuck up. All that talking, acting tough, get you roughed up. If your wifey at the spot, she getting bust up. Rich nigga, got my strap from Tommy Hilfiger. Red, white, and blue American, I kill nigga. Spread blocking and pull off, this a real dipper. Bottega, pick my kind, but I'm a field nigga. I be sitting inside the house cause I don't feel niggas. Fuck with baby, but my baby like to drill niggas. Claustrophobic, I don't even like to chill with them. Guess I'm facing, so everybody say they real niggas. Got a whooping, but you still ain't learned your lesson, huh? Pussy. Hard-headed, you won't end up on the stretcher, huh? Pussy. Oh, you usher now, you giving out confessions, huh? Pussy. On the blogs like these hoes, oh, you messy, huh? Pussy. Put a Louis logo on my switch. I know Virgil probably looking down like, damn, this nigga back on that shit. Back inside the club with my blick. Playing freeze tag shit, I'm trying to see who it. Niggas say we ops when they see me don't do shit. Only person believe that you a killer is your bitch. Making diss songs, this nigga died about a diss. If I see my ops while I'm in cuffs, then I'ma spit. Wanna kill the world about your bitch cause she don't dick. Thinking about the hoes that I'ma shit on while I piss. You ain't heard my music while you ballin' up your fist. Reverb on the chopper, it go when it hit. He ain't slaughter gang, then he ain't official. When that chopper sing, you really think that they gon' miss you. I spent $500,000 on dismissal. It's gon' be a hearse, not a verse if I dish you. Got me fucked up, nigga got me fucked up. When I send it past the ceiling, that shit stuck up. All that talking, acting tough, get you roughed up. If your wifey at the spot, she getting bust up.
Hey Vix, Dr. Holmes at Zoomdorf.
The most wanted mix.
We go chop life, we go make happy, we go the high. We go chop life, we go make high. Also we go carry. But I wanna answer again, and in the year all of the bad man day. Give thanks for life again, we go take them to the dance hall again. Time and time again, if we fall we go rise and fly again. Money go come again. You know, I great make we bust champagne. Forget about the worries, yeah, come dance again. Wind that body again. And then I'm a TV down and send my lucky. You're gonna cook, and I are chalky. Yeah. Bye, wala da, la da, da. Oh, yeah, wala sa. Da. I got to be my yomo. Yeah, before you with the blue eye time. Yo, my yomo. Bye, wala da, da. One year, wala song. Can't find me forget I cry. Ni waya wada mommy echo. You the fella mommy D mommy. Yo, I can't fool back all over tree. Now me power bank to 99 still charging. Me a top skanker banker. I'm out on the banker. Have a stop that thing. If before we go rise so, don't be treating me perfume me the price so. As I saw them everything tight so. Sleep them sleep me this a 419 so. Both on your top. Okay, banner yo. Okay. And when we do, mommy sweat. Wabaye wala da, wala da, da. Waye wala song, da. I got to be my yomo. Before you with the blue eye time, yo maga yomo. Wabaye wala da, da, da. Waye wala song, da. Can't find me forget I cry. Ni waya wada mommy echo. Give it to me now.
There it
Baby,
goes.
my teacher. Can't hold on about Tingo. Oh my girl, Mariana. Can't harm me, come a promo. Yeah, you gon' claim Medina. It can't knowledge of December. Janoni bumpo tomato. Oh, nah, me down, I'm a go school. Hennessy. Pretty girl, wine for my dice.
All right, so it moved in our direction, right? But number one, it made a top wick first, which ate away at all of our range, right? Look at this, it just rebroke that high. So there's a little bit of room to go, but like in a 60 pip range, I mean, like in a 25 pip range, 25 pip potential, like you want 25 pips, right? You know, so what are the chances of you getting 100% of that range? Alright, so let's get out of this range, right? Let's get out of this area. Let's get out of this chop, and let's just look for something above 3801, or if we can start heading back down here. But based on the way the daily closed, right, as a weaker candle here than that previous one, I just wouldn't expect this to be a massive candle. I'd expect to fill some of this range up this week. And watch me just as I say that. We just fucking bump here heavy. Oh no. Wait, can I do that? Why can't I do that? I thought they dropped the stream. Partials hit. W. Oh, did somebody enter on our initial entry before the hourly closed here? Right there? Damn, that was, you entered with like a minute to go in the candle. That's crazy. Brave soul. And then you just sat through some drawdown. Okay. And then nobody know I want you.
Goodness and mercy shall follow me, so me no fear no enemy. On top of blessings, me belly can't hungry. Above it and follow me. My table full up and I run over. My cup it a run over. I me sing full up, but them mad over. Them no like say they take over. Them this is about me, yeah. Them this is about you too. Them they talk about me, yeah. If you about me, they want you. I gotta play me. Like a bullet spinning. What is written in the book of life. None of them stop timing. Yeah. Mato asikeo, mato asikeo, ala mato asikeo. Ma we kwa dagba tutulelo. Mato asikeo, mato asikeo, ala mato asikeo. Ma we kwa dagba tutulelo. Then this is about me, yeah. Then this is about you too. Then they talk about me, yeah. If you about me, they want you. I gotta play me down. I gotta go there to fire. I gotta play me down. They're gonna do that every time. Then they talk about me, yeah. Then they talk about you too. Then they talk about me, yeah. If you about me, they want you.
At the teacher. And a father. Every man grab a girl. And every girl grab a man. Man to man, girl to girl, that's wrong. Condemn. All when a night, your pussy feel like sun hot when you're coming on around this shop. Make sure you know, be walk and not chat, your chat.
Me cocky longer than me night. Tell me why you lie, you want me try.
cocking up a life. Damage it for spite, not because me pussy tight.
I'ma put it on the left, can you take it on the right?
My nipple them a right, send it up in a me try.
Why did the appetite? Every nipple get a bite.
Some man a figure see me and him a figure fight. Call me up to wine pon the cocky like this. Cartel spin me like a satellite dish.
Deal with your breast like the crushing iris. Spice, I never know a pussy like this.
You are my mister.
You are my miss.
Kill me with the cocky.
Kill me with the tightness. And when you are going for something like this,
I can't stop fucking you.
Hey, cocky no play. Make me broke your back. And you're going on the rocking shot.
Yo. Turn this down. Just hold on again. Can't play this shit in front of my kids, right? I'm like, Daddy, what's a romping shop? Daddy, why does he have to spin her like a satellite dish? Man. Is it too loud? I feel like the music's too loud. Is it too loud? Or you guys are just vibing. 'Cause this looks like shit right now. And back in the fucking range. Weird. So music volume good. Alright, cool. Glad we agreed. Okay, so here's the deal. We might be on here for our 4-hour levels game. This shit back in range again? I don't know why this wouldn't come down here, right? It broke this previous candle high. This, remember, if we were looking on the hourly respected there. I mean, I'm not looking at it off the hourly. I think we're in a range here. But the hourly resistance right here respected it. So technically, it should come down. I'm going to look for this bounce doll based on the 4-hour. I'm going to keep 4-hour stops here down here.
joining? What? Are you just like? What? Are you? Nobody's gonna lie.
Uncle Demon. Nephew Demon. Lay down. It's Uncle Demon.
Any boy put a foot against you. We don't care where you come from. Somebody head up, we go like. Let me walk to your place and shut out the face to be your mother. God kill me, me not have no heart. Me even done all my blood. I'm the first to come out the water. Eat them up, dig up every skeleton under the
Wow. This price action has sucked, but now that I say that, watch it push.
Somebody head up, we go like. Let me walk to your place and shut out the face to be your mother. God kill me, me not have no heart. Me even done all my blood. I'm the first to come out the water. Man with no reflection. Me no left my protection. Post for head where a leader. Come in and start for your yes man. Burn them soul for the legion. Cook to perfection.
Let the whole place in a sound.
Ignore people emotion. We don't care where you come from. Somebody head up, we go up like. Let me walk to your place and shut out the face to be your mother. God kill me, me not have no heart. Me even done all my blood. I'm the first to come out the water. We don't care where you come from. Somebody head up, we go up like. Let me walk to your place and shut out the face to be your mother. God kill me, me not have no heart. Me even done all my blood. I'm the first to come out the water.
Oops. Press the wrong button. Oh, good. Alright, we're coming down here. Let's see if we can tap a 4-hour level here. I'd like a bounce off this level, but might bounce off the hourly, right? I just don't want to keep the hourly stop. I like this 4-hour level here. Small risk. Let's go. Oh, wait. Let's add it on there. I forgot to add it.
Down by myself if I got to groove. We all we got. Lord Jesus, peace be my savior. Lord knows I got a whole lot of haters, but I dust them off. My mind too strong and my nine too long. I reach any pillow, you put your little mind on and I dust them off. Hold up, you're dealing with professionals who will let you know war tactics, walk backwards. Automatics, come across your chest like Catholic. Hail Mary, we're buried. Any one of you motherfuckers hear me? Welcome to the rock. It ain't never gonna stop. Rude boy, put your lights up. Rude girl, throw your diamonds up. How the fuck they gonna stop, old boy? I don't even have to write this. Lord Jesus, peace be my savior. Lord knows I got a whole lot of haters, but I dust them off. My mind too strong and my nine too long. I reach any pillow, you put your little mind on and I dust dust them all. Dust them all. Hold up, you're dealing with professionals, so unless you know war tactics, walk backwards. Automatics, come across your chest like Catholics. Hail Mary, we'll bury any one of you motherfuckers hear me. Welcome to the rock. It ain't never gonna stop. Rude boy, put your lights up. Rude girl, throw your diamonds up. How the fuck they gonna stop, old boy? I don't even have to write this stuff. God knows I got a hell of a flow. Where I'll be without it, they don't wanna know. Live what for the grace of the Lord. Now my face grace to cover other fall. Blood clot. You ain't got to love, right? You gotta respect the way y'all take that cake, nigga, lifting up shots. I came with pride. Shit, I started with pride. Shit, I started with pride. Target the pride. Target and hold. Target and hold. Y'all to know. Target ain't slow. Shield that guides me. Be my guidance. No, they will never stop me. Shield that guide me. Be my guidance. Grace the salvation for me. Shield that guide me. Be my guidance. No, they will never stop me. I'm on the rock. I'm on the rock. Higher than I and higher than I and I. Shield that guide me.
We're going to at that point. I'm trying on 110 pips. Damn. I lowered my lot size because my stop is big. At a 38 pip stop here. 39 pip stop. Oh. Yeah. 12 pips. I think I'm okay risking 12 pips extra. Get up here. See what happens. We might not get in there at all because of 12 pips, but I'll risk it an extra 12 pips. Okay. 37.89. 1. 37. Flat 50 pip stop. 30-minute here. About to close. Top wick. Yeah, I think we'll tap here. It'd be great if we could close with no bottom wick. I like in here. About to be activated. I hardly take buys on Tuesday nights. Ooh. Close below the range. Yeah, I think this is going to come down here. I think it's going to flip. But we'll see. See? I'm so torn between these areas on the hourly and the 4 hour. Right? I think we can blast through it. Wow, that's the volume for the session coming in. Yeah, gang. Man, I'm so torn between these two levels. Here's what I want to do. I'm gonna keep it at the 4 hour. What would make sense here? Yeah, I'm gonna keep it at the 4 hour because there's a chance we blast through it, and it's a bearish 4 hour, right? It's not a bullish previous 4 hour where it could find a support and start driving the other way. So technically, you're just looking for the peak of the bounce. I'm gonna keep it 87.7. That's gonna be my entry. And my goal here, I think if we don't bounce off of here and continue up, I think there's a high likelihood this level will get bounced right here, because that's a 4 hour level, and I'll probably end up taking that position. There's just too much to hold from here to here. It's 120 pips, so I don't do that. It's gonna be roughly 38, 39 pip stop. Because I'm reasoning in my head for this hourly entry. And yeah, that would be great if we were bullish, but we're only bullish on the daily here, right? You're looking really for the daily to come into these areas right here, 37.82, 37.83 for a bottom wick. Right, but the first indication of rejection on a higher time frame is this level, right? As we pull back, so I think off the higher time frame would make more sense here, while cutting our risk. You got your volume on? What do you mean? In buys, jumbo eggs, 110 pips of drawdown. Yeah, I see us coming down here. I see so much potential to just smash through these areas. Oh man, yeah, as it starts breaking these lows. Since it enters cells as we were talking about the setup. Wow, volume coming in here. All right, nope. I really don't like that. I'm so skeptical at this level. Give me a bounce. Maybe there's a reason I'm skeptical of this level. For what? Would we have gotten activated there? No. Yeah, we would have been off. I was 89.1. This tapped 89.5. That's 6. And it flipped. Like, that's the reaction you want off this area. Like, I just don't know exactly what you kind of... Somewhere within this area, you want a reaction that just spikes the other way. The key is to try to get it as close to the level as possible. Sometimes we snipe them, sometimes they're gone without us. Very first time you put there, you would have. No, I never got it up here. I never had that level up there. I've just been debating the whole evening since we came on here. Do I use the hourly or the 4 hour? The problem is when I look at the 4 hour, I don't feel like this is the 4 hour level, right? It feels like this is the 4 hour level right here, because that's where the drive up really came from. But like, why the fuck did that flip already, right? You can... We could have gone 1 and 1 instead of a 2 lot. Alright, let's see. If it bounces off the hourly level, then we'll just call it. A nice bounce there initially. Still would not have been activated here. It rebroke the lows there. It rebroke the lows of that candle right there. Try to maybe just to get people in. A bunch of sell stops there. But if it breaks highs, I'm just gonna delete this level. It's been so arbitrary today. First we get this ugly chop, right? Over here. And then we break down into this area where, I mean, closures are so off that, do we use the 4? Do we use the hourly? Bro, do you usually get a trade every day, every session? I usually get a trade every day. I've not had a trade on this account yet. But like, there's multiple trades a day, right? Like I showed you the other account. Where is it? So we had on the other account 2 trades, 11 trades. This is the entire month, right? So that's the other funded. So there's not a single day this month where I had less than 2 trades, right? Today, the 23rd, will probably be the only day, right? No trade. And tomorrow's the 24th. We'll probably trade New York session, Asian session. I'll get the trades in.
Uncut. I'm bringing it to the script.
Yeah. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Mariah, shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, mine. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Mariah, shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, mine. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Mariah, shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, mine. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Mariah, shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, mine. Feel like I'm destined. I don't need no special rest, no. Who you testing? Focus gentle, here's your lesson, no.
So we're breaking the high. Yeah, delete this. Delete. Why is the music echoing? Is the music echoing? Oh, you're right. I'm sorry. It could be. It's a possibility. Hold on. No, it shouldn't be echoing. I think these probably generally motivate me to become a better trader. Once I make it out the hood, I'm gonna buy you a Rolex for real. This is the most ghetto shit I heard ever. ever. That's some hood shit. Nate said, take it a screenshot, dog. You tripping. I'm fairly new to this. I don't think I had a trade today. Unusual for me. Yeah, no, I usually get at least a trade a day. I didn't trade all day, right? My kids are sick. And now I just got on the charts here for the first time about an hour and a half ago, about almost 2 hours ago. Right? Doesn't mean like, hey, I'm on the charts for 2 hours in the last 40 or in the last 30 hours. Like, you know, out of the last 30 hours. It doesn't mean in that specific 2 hours that I hopped on in the last 30 hours, that's when the trade's going to set up. No. It doesn't, like, this shit doesn't owe me a trade. Like, I have a bunch of ideas. right? And they were like, if you think about it, like if you heard me all night, like I'm uncertain about any of these. It's been very choppy. Like it's very rarely that I'm like, man, I'm not sure about this, or I'm not sure about, like, because I'm usually pretty like if I'm doing something, it's like, yeah, I got high degree of confidence in this shit. We're gonna fucking smack. But and sometimes like it'll take me. There are times where it'll take me less planning to come, and maybe it should be like that, like less planning for like oh yeah, we're gonna smack, not because I did a lot of like, not a you know, a lot of analysis, but like, oh yeah, we're gonna smack because it's just so plain and obvious. Right? That feeling shouldn't come from a lot of analysis. Like, oh yeah, we're gonna smack the shit. That feeling should come from like, damn, this is just clear as day. You only trade Asian? No, we trade mostly New York. If you look at the thumbnail, it's really mostly New York. Usually it's like this, right? Usually it's like this, New York session, 8 a.m. Eastern, every single morning. But right now we are here. 8 a.m. sharp is usually our shit. Wow, 15 held. This is interesting. Wow. We might have some bias here, gang. Hold on. Let this make a bottom wick. If we can get down 37.91, what's 30 looking like? Yeah, that would re-break the 30 high. The hourly's kind of filled this level. Damn, imagine it taps this level and goes straight up, and that could have been our buy. 4-hour buy. Fuck, man. I think if it comes up, this would be a higher probability trade. $15 faked out here again. Here's what I will say. This has been a tough session price action-wise. If this stop is like 25 pips, like we get sometimes, right? If this stop is like 15 pips, like this is an easy decision for us because it's worth that risk. But really, this price action sucks. Let's see how steep the stop will be, or if we start coming up right now, or if we just break down here. If we were trading off the hourly, we would have positions. I mean, if we were looking at the buy limits, they would have been off 89.1 here. But if we're looking at pancakes, right, the proper way to take the pancake would be the daily to have been bearish, and this 4 hour to have been bearish. Then right here at 37.97, we could look for that position. Yeah, it might bounce here. But right now, like, right, as you're re-breaking the 4 hour low, very hard to take that position. The daily and the weekly is bullish. Man. Where's our 4 hour entry? Okay. I'm going to take a buy here on the live account, and I'm going to take a market buy here, right there off the 4 hour level. I'm going to keep this level as a stop, and that's our position for tonight here. All right, we're up about 10 pips there, no, 5 pips. I'm going to keep a stop here. I hope it might even tap this area and then come up. Four-hour level, I'm going to keep a 4 hour stop. Maybe this area. Oh, it tapped that 4 level on the dot. Maybe here. All right, about 10 pips in front. I'm just going to go break even and hope this pumps up. Yeah, I saw about 10 pips, but I don't want to risk it. I want it to pump up. Come on. Pump up. Just give me a quick bounce. 20 pips up. 20 pips up. I don't want drawdown. Yeah, come back down. Fuck. We just want a quick bounce, man. Come up. Up. Quick bounce up. Quick bounce up. Actually, let's start this top right here. Come on. Come on. I mean, it's a risk-free trade, right? You're up about 12 pips here. If you want to secure partials, you can. I'm secure partials right there. I'm secure about half at 14 pips here. Come on. There we go. Partial secured. Made $155 here on this account. Let's see if this shit can pump. And just free money for now, right? It's free money because there's no risk, right? It's just house money. Ah, fucker. Man, if I left that 4 hour level there, I would have sniped it because that's an extra like 12 pips, right? We would have been up at like 25 pips. Sorry, gang. I didn't think we were going to get there. I thought we might just pump up heavy. Oh, shit. About 18 pips here. 17 pips. W.
We got a runner.
Let's get to over 20 pips. I'll secure. There we go. 20 pips. Close full. Yo, did I close full on my live account? Oh! Motherfucker.
I think you hit stop on the line.
Yeah, it hit the break even. How? How? Oh, well, I don't care. I mean, that's a good way to start off this account, right? $333.52. It's a good way to start off this account. Let's just keep it in the green, right? Tomorrow morning we'll probably catch, like, this was 20 pips. Why didn't you take that sells to your level? What's the reasoning? Because I am so bullish on the daily. I just think we can bounce off any level and start riding up. Like, this was really weird. I thought this was it, right? Like, look at this level. It just kind of found that on the daily. This might be the level here now. Like, we might have found that level and it's only up from here. This would have been a sniper entry, right? Like, I think if we took it off that 4 hour, we would have sniped it right there, right? 3787.7. And if it doesn't come back here now, like, because it's riding at around 30 pips in profit from that point, right? You're looking at a lot of room here. You know what I mean? So if we sniped it off that level, off the 4 hour, I'm not closing anything. I'm just going to, I would have let it rock and it would have been house money. It's just pancakes for the W tonight, right? I guess we do get a trade in. It's a good way to start off this account. Light 2 lot, right? Small risk. We understood that there's a chance for heavy drawdown at around 50, 60 pips. So, like, what? You can lose 1,200? Well, I'll take 300. Like, you know, 4-1 RR, negative RR. I'll take it tonight. It's like, right? You see $300 laying down on the street. It's not. We're not gonna walk by it. We saw it. We picked it up. Like, yeah, there was a chance we might have been hit by a car, but how many of you wouldn't run across the street in the middle of, you know, a green light intersection to try to pick up $333? Shit, I'm stopping traffic. I hope it's a school bus. Word. You know, that's a good money. I hope it's like the New York Knicks on their way to play the fucking Trailblazers. Getting paid tonight. Yeah, I think we'll have some stronger positions in the morning because here's the deal. Here's what we want to see, right? The daily's bullish, and we want to take these pancakes with a bullish 4 hour, right? So what you want to see is a 4 hour close bullish. Right now, see how the 4 hours are all bearish? But let's say right now, oh, people at the Zoom door, come on in. But let's say right now, right? It's the 4 hour level. Let's say we do come down here and like this 4 hour gives us the bearish close we're expecting, right? Filling the wick. And eventually we get this, right? Let's say this is how we close here. Or this is how we close. Oh, how long we got? Oh, we have 2 minutes. I'm sorry. So we have a minute 20 on this hourly candle. So let's say it closes like this, right? Let's say the next 4 hour candle, which is from 10 till 2 a.m., right, does something like this. Let's say the 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. does this, right? If 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. does this, when we hop on here in New York session, technically we should see a 7 and an 8 o'clock candle doing something like this. Okay? And as they're doing that, I now can have a buy limit at this area with a bullish daily and now a bullish 4 hour. And it's 8 a.m. peak of New York session, and typically 8 a.m. likes to turn around from the 6 and 7 a.m. Right? So how much sense would it make if we take this buy limit here, we keep these stops here, and have our potential buys be TP'd right here? That's your target now. And now that falls in line with the 4 hour, with the daily, and if you're not going to get that drive, then the bounce here, because of that 4 hour closing bullish, the bounce when you get here will be steep. It's usually like a 40 to 50 pip bounce off a wick. But your job is to wait for that to all fall in line. Right now the 4 hours against you. That's why I was so skeptical. But right, the daily is just heavily bullish, the weekly bullish, so we could have taken that off the 4 hour into the daily and weekly. So, but these are things you notice when you watch the charts long enough, and you notice how the candles bounce and how steep they bounce. And if this is going to be a 4 hour closure here by 6 a.m., right, like this level will probably give you a strong bounce and a possible 4 hour candle that ends up looking like this. And then what the fuck do you have to lose here? Right? Then the sky's the limit, and you're like, you know what? All-time highs, here we come, baby. And like, you leave a 10% runner, you'll close 5 here, and you leave 5% runner to all-time highs. Like, it'll just start falling in line, and once it starts falling in line, it'll be clear and obvious. Once it's clear and obvious, it'll make your decision making that much simpler. You won't have to eat it yourself. You just execute. Because this is like, it's either this or you're gonna hit a stop because your position was so fucking logical that it's either you're 100% right or it just smacks you in the face with an off chance going against you. And then it's like, all right, I'll take that. I'll fucking take it because it just did everything I like. The mic? What's wrong with the mic? Don't tell me these things. I have PTSD with the mic thing. Wow, we literally would have sniped the fuck out of that on the 4 hour. Like, look, like fucking on the dot here. Right? 87.1, no, right there. 87.7 was where I was looking for entry. And it tapped 87.2.3. We would have seen a maximum of like 3 pips drawdown, fucking 30 pips. Your mic is fine, bro. Yeah, thank you. But I think we'll call it a session there. Like, that was lovely. Like, we got our 20 pips. Great way to start the new account, right? On our way to our next payout. That's it. Very simple. Hey, you still got the W. Can't be mad at that. I'm gonna head out and go to the gym. I've been slacking here. Yeah. Like, yeah. All right. Also, join the fucking clubhouse. Absolutely. Where's Jay? That's Jay's job. Is he on the bench? Is he even benched? What's going on? Let's add that to the record. Win number 540. So that was a 2 lot, and we made how much? $330. So that's 15, 16, 17. That's 17, 16 and a half, 17 pips. Amazing. Amazing. Great session. Worth it. Always worth it coming out here. All right, yo, I appreciate the 150 that came out here. Hey, what's up, Santos? I see you drawing. Damn, that is a pretty heart. You got some good heart. My kids be going like this. What the fuck is that? You need a 3 or an M to complete that. What the fuck am I supposed to do? But it's funny when the 6-year-old does it, because she got these little fingers, and it's like... Yeah, gang. Let's call it here. It was a great trade. Wait. Hold on.
Open it up.
Open it up. Open what up? Which part?
The session.
Oh, it's open. This is not a public session. This is open. This is public.
Shit.
This ain't Sunday. Yeah, tripping. Yeah, got me bugging right now. Hold on.
Back on my bullshit. Back to back on my bullshit. Matter of fact, that was bullshit. I'm going back to back.
I was gonna say, can you guys spam some dubs? Spam some dubs before you do. Let's fucking go. We gotta win today.
Gotta stay woke, can't be sleep. All this fly shit don't be cheap. All these bad bitches that we keep round. Pockets gotta be deep now. Never lose again, living me deep down. Gotta keep winning, it's a clean sweep now. Tell her back it up, you hear 3 beeps now. Big truck, little bitch. Call me Greek freak, big bucks, little bitch. Paid in full, little ace, little Mitch. You a Rico, little case, you're a snitch. Not from Chicago, but too shy to speak. Ask where's Waldo, I'm too high to see. Move like cargo, I do fly every week. Princes and Lagos, Dubai with sheiks. Everywhere I go, new vibe the freak. Told her I'm Drago, you Apollo Creed. Far as how cars go, you guys to me. I'm Mercy Lago, and you dry your feet. Nigga, I'm that bull in the hood. New lamb trunk, got the bull in the hood. Black and red, looking like the bulls in the hood. 23s on, they got the bull sitting good. This game 6, this can't miss. Shooting my shot, wrist hang swish. Ice my shit like I just sprained this. Millie plain Jane and that bitch stainless. Look, money talk, shorty speaking this language. Buy her a car, she gon' switch lanes quick. I got shut up money, I don't explain shit. Do you wanna boss up or just change shifts? Pretty little joint and she gets things lit. Baby got a crew on some rich gang shit. P&B and Meek must know this same bitch. If you look in her eyes, man, that shit's dangerous. On guard, on a gang, on bros. No bullshit, you the one, D-Rose. Pass me the Pippin, the long nose. Then it's game over, the horn blows. This the last shot. You tryna be on the team or be the mascot? Wanna be the first lady or the last thought? I'm paying Dwayne Wade, but I flash not. Whoa, I thought you could've been Jordan. Found out that you wasn't even been Gordon. Next one get flued out, I'm keeping them boarded. Like Tony Kukoc, I'm foreign important. Yeah, I cannot bullshit with none of y'all.
I think that's it. I mean, like, I gotta get everybody to the ability to spam. I don't know why it's only mods. All right. Yeah. Anyway, that's the session, gang. I appreciate you guys showing up tonight. It's 10. We usually go 8 to 10. We got our W a little late in the session, but it's always worth it. And honestly, just showing up is worth it. YouTube's not silencing. You just don't have mod powers. Keep showing up. One day you'll get them. Mike, I got your message. I got to look into it. Okay, Michael? I'm not sure what's going on, or if you even deserve it. I saw your DM about the account, so I'll look into it. Yeah, let's call it a session. Thank you guys for showing up. I will see you tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. sharp, right? Tomorrow's hump day, so be ready. I don't think there's any red folders, any news tomorrow, but we'll look for volume, and we shall persevere. Okay, gang? Hasta la pasta. See you tomorrow. And
break out the red panties. We're rich, baby.
Zoom gang, see you on the clubhouse side of things. Mods, thank you for helping me run the session. Chat, love and wisdom to you all. And just like that, another Asian session is in the books.
Shout out to my niggas with escape plans. 20 bands. The rain checker,
we can make plans.
Pockets loaded, rocket loaded, can't let's rock and roll this. Time to go, lock, stock, and two smoking barrels, locked and loaded. Diamonds glowing, chop, climbing on them. You think I'm jumping out the window?
I got them open.
Line around the corner, line them up the block and over. Sometimes I even stop smoking when it's time to
focus.
My
pants below, create, explore, expand, conquer. I saw, praise the Lord, embrace the law. What's mine? Some more. It rains, it pours, it rains, it pours. I came, I saw, I came, I
I saw, I praise the Lord and break.
Good night, everybody.
I take what's mine.